Hey, what's going on? It's Randy Wolfe. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. This is an exciting experience. I've been investing in real estate for quite a while. I've owned businesses, but I am truly passionate about helping people. And so I decided to start this channel and really focus on new people that are looking to invest in real estate to better their lives. You know, I think real estate is such an incredible and powerful tool that you can utilize to live the life that you want to on your terms. If you're somebody that hates your job, for example, you hate your 9 to 5, real estate investing can get you out of that. If you're somebody that has a family and you want to provide a better life for your family, if you want to travel the world with your family, whatever it is that you're looking to do, whatever your why is, investing in real estate can be a tool that can get you the financial freedom that you need to do those things. Giving back to others. I believe in helping people. And so putting you in a position to where maybe you can give back to your church, or maybe you can start that charity that you've been wanting to start. Whatever your why is, I encourage you to learn as much as you can, and that's what this channel is going to do. Everything here is free on the channel. I provide free content. We do weekly videos every week. And so if you haven't already, be sure you subscribe, click that little notification button, and that way, whenever I post new content every single week, you will be notified and you will get that content and can consume that content. So I encourage you to do that. Watch the videos, ask questions on this channel. I'd love to help any way I can. And then for those who are looking to take it to the next level, looking to kind of take action, go from the sort of learning phase to the action phase, we have a private community. There are links all over the videos that I post on this and also on the channel. You can check that out. It's a private community, and there's a lot of interaction in the community. There's one-on-one. You actually not only get the education, but you get the hands-on assistance. Let's say you have a deal or you have a specific question. I'm in the community to help. There's other members in the community, and so that's something you can also check out. But for the time being, if you're just looking to get some free information and try to learn, as much as you can, this is a great channel. I welcome you to the channel, and I truly want to help you in your real estate investing journey. I'm very passionate about helping others. I love real estate. I love doing deals. I love making money on deals. But what really fires me up is when I can help someone else accomplish their dreams by doing a deal, making money on a deal that's going to better their life. So I really look forward to you viewing the videos, and I really look forward to helping you on your real estate investing journey.